Hi traders, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, then thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and keep up to date with my analysis. Now the Aussie dollar did advance last week, but held at weekly resistance 65.11 and 65.22. We did trade above, but couldn't close above. So these are the levels to watch, 65.11 and 65.22 at the start of the week. Does this area hold as resistance for a movement back down this week? Do we move back down to monthly support 64.58? We held there on Friday. Or do we see a break above this area? And then does 65.22 to 65.11 become support for a move higher this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.